Hi guys and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning grey 2017 Holden Colorado Z71. Starting off at the front, you've got that really iconic Holden badge right in the middle there with your chrome split grille as well, and you do get 4 colour matched parking sensors along the front as well. Fog lights down the bottom, again giving you heaps more visibility in all those different foggy conditions, and obviously those parking sensors on the front are going to help you parking such a big vehicle. Smoked bonnet protector as well on the front with the Colorado badging through it, so obviously you know it's a genuine Colorado bonnet protector, and it's going to help stop any stone chips coming along the front of the bonnet and deflecting up onto your windscreen as well, so it's going to keep the car nice and safe. You do have really big headlights as well, and you get your headlight surrounds there as well, so again that's going to protect your headlight a little bit and it makes it look a bit tougher too. Bonnet scoop on the top too, again makes it just look tougher again. Coming around to the driver's side, now you do have the colour matched flares fitted to this vehicle all around as well, and you do get the aftermarket black Hussla alloy wheels with the all-terrain tyres. Now on the front we do have brand new all-terrains, so you know you don't have to worry about that. We also have a lift kit as well, so as you can tell this car is a bit higher than your standard Colorado, and that is because of the lift kit. Now you've got your black side mirrors and door handles. That just contrasts well with all the other black features and the vinyls on the vehicle. Indicator built in underneath your mirror there, again just to clean up that whole front quarter panel. Duramax diesel badging as well, just to make sure you know you are driving a diesel. Smoked weather shields on the top, so again that's going to help if you do want your window down a little bit when it is raining. It's going to help you get that little bit of a breeze and that bit of fresh air as well. You do have the little scratch plates as well in your door handles, so no rings or nails or anything like that are going to scratch your actual paintwork under there. And one thing with these Colorados, when you do open the door, that window does come down a little bit, so that when you do close the door, you're going to relieve all that extra cabin pressure because it'll come out through that little slit there. Looking inside, beautiful leather on all the seats, beautiful condition on the bolsters, all the scuff plates are in really good order, and where we get lazy and kick the doors open as well, again really good condition there too. Closing that one up. Now stopping at our second alloy wheel, again really good condition and heaps of tread on that tyre. Coming around to the back, now you'll notice again we have the tail light surrounds as well, again just matches in a bit better with the front ones. Now we do have this rear step protection bar as well, so what you do notice in these bigger sort of utes and things like that is that most of the little nicks and knocks come on the rear quarters, and you'll notice these have the little bars as well to help stop that. Now you can use it as a step. With the lift kit though, you might need the step to get onto the step. And you've got your colour matched rear parking sensors in there and your tow bar as well. Now you do have a genuine tub liner fitted as well. So that's going to keep your tub in really good condition and help minimise all the noise that does come through that. And you've got the roller tonneau cover as well. Please ask us in person more about how that one works. Now coming around to the passenger side and stopping at that third alloy wheel, again really good condition and heaps of tread on the tyre. Now the paintwork again presents really well, can't really fault it. Just one thing to take note of, your fuel filler cap is on your passenger side, that is the safe side of the vehicle as well. And again keep moving down to our last alloy wheel, again really good condition and heaps of tread on that brand new tyre on the front there as well. So what we've got here is 4 really nice wheels, good tyres as well, and excellent accessories, so this car's really kitted out and ready to go. Alright guys, so having a look under the bonnet now, we've got a 4-cylinder 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. On the safety side of things, we've got a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout, so you know you and all your passengers are going to be nice and safe in the car. This engine will produce 147 kilowatts of power and 500 newton meters of torque, so obviously if you are going to tow anything, you do have the torque to do so. On the fuel side of things, you've got a 76 litre capacity diesel tank using about 8.7 litres per 100 k's, giving you an average of 874 kilometres to a tank. Guys, inside the Colorado now, and starting on the driver's side door, you've got all 4 of your power window controls. Now they are all automatic up and down as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And your window lock as well. So if anyone in the back's getting a bit annoying playing with the windows, you can just lock them out. Central locking as well, just there, so nice and easy to get to when you do need it. And all of your power mirror controls as well. Now, obviously, being that we're inside, the car's not running, just next to the steering wheel, we've got all of our fog light controls and our headlight controls. Now you do have automatic headlights in this model as well, so you can just leave it on auto and the car will do everything for you. You do have your little brightness control for your cluster alongside your headlight height adjuster as well. So if you do have a bit of weight in the back and your headlights are pointing up, you can bring them back down. Right hand stalk, we have indicators and our little settings for our centre screen and our high beams on there. And then left hand stalk, we've got our washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel, it's a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel. All your cruise control settings are on the right hand side, nice at a thumb's reach, along with your front collision mitigation, so you can just set if you want that off or what distance you would like that to have. And then on the left hand side, you've got all your entertainment controls and your Bluetooth, so your volume seeking mode, all of that. Moving into the centre screen here. Now it is Holden's more updated screen, so you've got all your audio options, your Bluetooth options, all of that, and your satellite navigation as well in there, so everything is nice and easy to reach. And you've got your home screen, radio, and all your other little options through there, and then menu just for all of your settings and all of that. Guys, sorry about that, the camera did cut out for a second there, but all your heating and cooling controls just on nice little dials here. It is single zone climate control, but all your dials are nice and there for you. Just below that you do have your lane departure warning on and off, traction control on and off, your hazard lights, downhill descent control, and your parking sensors on and off. So if you are backing up to a trailer or anything, you can just flick those off if it is getting a bit annoying. Underneath that again, you've got 2 12-volt sockets with little covers on them, and then you've got your heated front seats as well, so you've got 2 levels there, 1 and 2. Automatic shifter, so if you bring it down into drive and then bump it to the left, you can shift through your gears manually, or you can drive it like a normal automatic. 4-wheel drive selector as well there, so you can flick through your modes there. 2 nice cup holders, hard handbrake, and then a leather wrapped centre console with a fair bit of storage in there alongside your USB and AUX inputs for your audio as well. So I'll just get the home person to pan around a little bit, show you the condition of the interior, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Right guys, so that wraps up our walk around video on this stunning grey 2017 Holden Colorado. Hope it's given you a lot of insight into why this is the right car for you, and it's helped really cement that decision for you. Now this car does qualify for the premium mechanical protection plan that we do offer. It is an additional cost, but if you are using our in-house finance team, they'll be able to show you just how minimal it does affect your payments. In that plan, you get another 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometres, whatever comes first, of additional coverage on 181 parts on the car, up to a $3,600 limit per claim, and unlimited claims with no excess as well. Now you do get much more with that plan, so again, please ask us about that when you do come down and test drive this car. If you are looking to obviously test drive, please give us a call on 9907 0555. And just one more thing before I go, please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews at the moment. So you can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership and with the right people as well. So once again, the number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby, and thank you for watching.